New tapes, new revelations, and now a new political twist to the Snoopgate saga. A commission of inquiry may be ordered by the centre into the alleged Snoop operation on a woman architect in Gujarat and outside, allegedly at the behest of Amit Shah, the then Home Minister of Gujarat. Now the BJP may be threatening the Congress with the Robert Vadra probe in a tit-for-tat move. Will the Congress relent?
Investigative website Gulel.com has made public a set of 39 new secret tapes claiming that snooping on the woman architect from Bangalore stretched beyond Gujarat. These tapes are not a part of the 267 single tapes already with the CBI. And this is an attempt at refuting claims that the Snoop operation was ordered on the request of the victim's father. Tapes claim that phones were tapped both inside and outside Gujarat, and at one point the then Yediyurappa government in Karnataka even corresponded with the Gujarat government, turning down its request in this regard.
यहाँ पर अंडर सेक्रेटरी लेवल के ऑफिसर जो सेक्शन ऑफिसर्स होते हैं एक तरीके से वो परमिशन दे रहे थे, तो गुजरात में टेलीकॉम कंपनीज उनको मान रही थी, लेकिन येडियुरप्पा की सरकार ने उसे मानने से मना कर दिया, एटलीस्ट ऑन वन ओकेजन. उन्होंने कहा कि दिस इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर.
The new tapes have provided fresh ammunition to the Congress party for a central inquiry panel, even as the BJP fumes.
There are many options available with Home Ministry. One is to have an inquiry commission. The other is to have a sitting or retired High Court or Supreme Court judge looking into this matter. The other portion is that they could also seek a report from Gujarat or from multiple states like Karnataka and Goa as well.
नरेंद्र मोदी को इसकी जिम्मेदारी लेनी चाहिए और अपने आप को जब तक ये जांच पूरी ना हो जाए तब तक ये चीफ मिनिस्टर से अलग हो जाना चाहिए, रेजिग्नेशन दे देना चाहिए.
संसद के चुनाव अभी क्षितिज पे दिख रहे हैं हमें, तब ये बहुत एक सोची समझी चाल के तहत शायद ये किया जा रहा है.
There are various central laws that have been very clearly violated, and it's a fit case for a strong central level inquiry, and which should be, I think, done at the highest level.
One more reason behind Congress's hesitance can be BJP's threat to pay them back in the same coin by ordering an inquiry into the controversial land deals of Robert Vadra in Rajasthan. 5 members have already written to Vasundhara Raje, although no inquiry has been ordered so far, but the BJP dispensation in Rajasthan may do so in the near future.
एक कमीशन बैठाएं, जांच करें, तथ्यों के सामने लाएं और जिन्होंने नियमों की धज्जियां उड़ाई है उनको दंडित करें. अब आगे इस पे कार्रवाई हो रही है, इशू फ्रेम हो रहे हैं और इस पे कार्रवाई निश्चित रूप से होगी, ऐसा हमारा मानना है.
Did Narendra Modi's mandarins overstep and abuse their official position? Questions have already been raised on the 2-member state panel constituted in Gujarat. If the snooping took place beyond Gujarat borders, can a state-level probe suffice? But on the flip side, should the centre hold back till the state wrap up its investigation? With Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur and Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi,